Hello, my name is Dave Sweet, President of MECCO, a proud Rockwell automation technology partner. We've been working with Rockwell for over 9 years to develop smarter direct part marking technologies, laser marking and pin marking systems that connect directly to your information systems, and custom engineered turnkey solutions. Rockwell Automation Allen Bradley PLCs enable our technologies to seamlessly blend in with your manufacturing operations via our EtherMark integration solutions. From the clouds of the aerospace industry to the underground world of oil and gas, we partner with the world's top companies. Combining the expertise of Rockwell Automation and MECCO, we help our customers to design advanced real-time traceability solutions, combining the OT and IT to better track their inventory, manage their supply chain, and help them protect their products against counterfeiting and gray market threats. We believe innovative relationships result in innovative solutions. And that is evident with our long-term partnership with Rockwell Automation, as well as the countless customers who choose to partner with us every single day.